Yay! Thank you. Get the fuck. Now get the fuck out. Alright, let's go. Kaya pro tayo. Ang palagi sabi ni Christian Page, easy. Alright. Medium ba? Okay, okay na yan. Medium na. Let's fucking go. Oh yeah. I've been waiting for this, for a long time, bro. Busy ako sa school, kaya ito na lang muna. Hindi ko nga pala ma-upload or content yung Slender na The Forest kasi nga that game is fucking long, bro. I don't know what to do. Wait. Yung sensitivity ko. Ano? Keep this out. Wait lang. Try naman na natin para alam natin kung saan siya. Tapos wait lang. Tasin ko yung full brightness nito. Alright. Come on, Granny, you fucking... Oh, no. Look at that face, is so fucking ugly, dude. Yan. You have to find the key, bro. So I don't know where to begin. Wala na ba? Alright. Putang ina mo, fuck you, bitch. Yeah. Oh my god. Easy pa lang to, natatakot na ako. Hype na bitch ass motherfucker. Wala pa naman si Granny, kaya fuck that. Ano yan? Oh, that's the pieces of the gun. Which is cool, right? Which is cool. Oh shit. Tingnan naman na natin si Granny dito. Kaya, yung libro, buksan natin yan dun sa which is, I don't know. Or, hindi ko na naman pinagsasabi ka putang ng... Come on, Granny. Okay, there you go. Okay, you stay here. Yeah, you stay there. I'll get the parts of the gun. Kasi kailangan yun. Hey, bitch. I don't know, man. We don't even have parts in there, like what? Weapon key, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna make her go here. Yeah. What's to? Chain cutter. Chain cutter for what? Sa kay dun sa nanay ni Slender. I don't know. I haven't watched any Granny updates videos, kaya mas okay lang na hindi ko alam para alamin ko sa sarili ko. Fuck, dude, where is she? Granny, man, the Fuck, where is she, dude? I mean, naka-easy kasi ito eh, kaya mabagal eh. Oh, drop lang natin to para ano. Or what about the book, dude? Yeah, let's wait, dude. Ay, pumunta dun. Okay. O yan, no, drop ko dyan, putang. Ay, bakit pala muna. But, sabihin na nagte-teleport yung hype niyan. Don't do that. Nakakatakot yan. Teleport. Saan na yung granny na yan? Hype na. Okay. Okay. Kung naririnig niyo yung sound, okay, let's go. Yo, taka dito. Ano, the Book of Destiny. Let's go. Ayup. Akasan natin yung volume. Sana marinig niyo ako, guys. Anong sound sa dirt? I mean, it's grass, of course. Yung gaga. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, you can't reach me, bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Bisa mo, putang ina niya. Ano ba? Fuck, bitch, don't ruin anything, okay? Oh yeah. So mag-spawn siya dito eh, pero okay lang yun. Sanay naman ako eh. Hey, come out. Yeah. Oh yeah, you feel that? Oh my god. Hindi ako mahulog. Kaya mo nababagay yan sa line. 2 minutes is good, so yeah, we're good to go. I think we're good, dude. Alright, now we have gasoline, which is good. I don't give a fuck on the. Alright. I don't know kung matatapos ko tong laro na to, so yeah, block na lang, man. What's this? Oh, playhouse key. Pero wait lang. Oo nga pala, no? There. Ay, puta, bobo. Oh shit, I said my name. Uy, ano yun? Gulat ako, kala ko si Granny yun na yun. Two minutes, which is, we still got time. Speedrun. Let's go. Saan to? Padlock key. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, dude. Cutter. Chain cutter. Pan chain cutter to, di pang ano. Jeez, yeah. You good, you did. Puta, umalis ka muna, okay? You why you keep sliding, bro? Yeah, that's right. Ako ng hammer. Saan ko makuha yung hammer? Oh shit, the bird seed. Okay. Nayop. Okay. Wala ditong gamit, kaya ano. Ammunition of the what? Why am I keep saying that? Ay, bobo dun sa ano. Tanga, bobo. Tanga-tanga mo din yun. Alright. Alright. Think we Gucci, dude. There's no stuff here, so we're good. Watch. Hey, bitch. Alam mo, you will never get me. Wahaha. Okay, stay there, guys. I got this. I'll shot her with a fucking shot. Tabi! Oh. Ah, you fucking bitch. Get the fuck out of my way. Oh my god. Okay, try natin tong ano, yung cutter dun sa. Can I use this as a ano? Oh yes, I can. Alright. Cool, ha? Cool. Okay, we still got time, so we don't have to worry about shit. So, kunin ko yung ano dun para kunin siguro yung red key. Yung red key dun. Ano? I keep seeing shit about it, kaya putang ano. You also need a hammer. Bitch! Babal yung puta. Yeah, I'm prepared for war. So 2 minutes 30 seconds, so we still got more time, so yeah. Fun, bitch. Yeah. Speedrun ko na to, bahala ka dyan. Fuck out of my way! Yan na. Playroom key, tapos lagay natin dyan. But then balik. Yun yung siguro yung playhouse key. Tama, no? Saan ko nilagay yun? Kulang. Fuck. Fucking bitch. Don't ever do that to me, okay? Babaliw. Yeah, let's go. Woohoo! Yay! Thank you. Get the fuck. Now get the fuck out. What the fuck? How? Okay, what the heck is that? Dude, what do you mean? What the fuck? Buhay siya? Ulat ako. Dadaan lang po. Thank you very much, Rani. You're the best. Yung mga bilis niya. Oo, ngayon, patay ka. That's right, bitch. Tsaka muna. Dude. Like, I'm all complete and shit. Like, what the fuck, dude? Do I miss something, dude? Kulang eh. Ano bro, kulang. I get a shot through with the bitch. Don't mess with the bitch. So I'm gonna fucking kill you. Yung nga pala yung hammer. Alright. Yes, makakapaganan. Okay, wait. Do not touch that. Gumana. Well, bahala na. Okay, we have the car key now. Gago, nagulat ako. Alright, let's... Fuse lang nakuha. Ano ba yan? So fucking useless, man. Bullshit. Ah, remote! Okay, gets. I know where it is. Alam ko ba? Well, we will find out. Still got more time. Just great. Alright. Tabi! Ay, tumabi parang tanga oh. Yup, we got it. Pepper spray for what? Damn, we have a lot of weapon here, bro. We need the master key to, in order to escape. Nasaan safe key? Nakakainis. I'm gonna put the book after we found the master key. Tabi. Tabi. Saan mahanap yun? Alright. No! Finally! Oh my god. Nakabwisit yung hype na yun, nabaril ko. Don't ever do that again. Yan ba yun? Will Crank? I don't know, man. Still got time though. Wala kasing gamit dito eh. Nakakainis eh. What's that one? I learned from my mistake. I'm sorry. Pangit niya. So ugly. Mas gamit ba din hindi ka natuklasan? So fucking weird. Fucking trap! Oh my god! Okay, kala ko kailangan ng ano. Iska nga puta. Naiinis ako. Alright, thank you, Granny. Thank you very much. Very, very much. Yep, that's the timer, bro. What the fuck? I haven't, so weird. But okay. Gonna do some trick shot. Yeah, bro, let's go. Woo! Utangin na mo, pa yun. Huwag kang umarang, puta. Dude, I need the master key. I don't know where. I'm so confused right now. Anong gagamitin dito lang? Ay, oh, what the heck's happening, dude? Will crack? Pwede kaya yun? Try nga natin. Manipulating little bitch. Ay, oh. Spider key, I don't know where. Bruh. Am I too blind as fuck? Cause I don't know. Oh, fuck that if I don't know. We should look back there and there. I don't think I'm able to finish this 1 hour name video. Alright guys, I don't think I'm able to finish this. So maybe next time na lang muna. I can't find anything, bro. I should watch the full gameplay of the granny, bro. Bago kasi update, kaya fuck dude. Kaya yun. Yeah, that's all. Bye.